Hey there guys, it's Mona Siddiqui. Today I'm bringing you 8 Griffiths Street. It is a 2,800 square feet fully renovated house in the heart of Ajax. Let's go inside, let me show you around. On the main floor, we've got a separate living, dining, and family rooms, along with an office and a kitchen, of course. This house features a bright family-sized kitchen with a breakfast area. We've got a spacious master bedroom with a sitting area, double closets, and a new 5-piece ensuite. We've also got a newly finished basement with 2 bedrooms, a full washroom, and 3 separate storage areas. Alright folks, now that we've seen the inside, I just want to point out this location's amazing. Okay, we've got middle school, high school, and parks all within 1 kilometer. We've got Ajax GO Station, Walmart, Costco, and over 10 grocery stores all within 3 kilometers. If you need any more information, please get in touch. Mona Siddiqui.